gonna try a live today, see if it goes a little better. Facebook is kinder to me, maybe. Let's see what happens. Okay, today I'm going to do an ink project, and we're going to do it with the July Club, the Berry Sweet Days this summer. As you can see, I have used it. I didn't clean it as good as I should have, I just noticed, but we'll see how it does. It does stain some, especially the red and black. And that is what I used over here when I chalked it. That's chalk paste, this will be ink. Ink is permanent, so you gotta be careful with it. Make sure you don't get it on your fingers to stain your surface. Paste, you can wipe it off and clean it, so that's the only difference. So anyway, we're going to do it on a towel. How many of you do decorative kitchen towels? It might have been way back in our mom's time, but I like it, and I just keep changing it up with the season, holidays, or just something that I like, that I think looks good. So I thought this was awesome. It'd be perfect for a towel. So I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to do it mostly in red, I think. Even leaves and all in red. I do have some green ink here if I wanted to paint it into the little leaves in here, but I'm not sure I really want to do that. So anyway, I'm just going to show you the process. It's really very easy. And I'm going to take this towel. I've already got it pressed and everything. And I want it on this part. So this is one of our ink mats. Works as a blotter to keep it from going anywhere else, just on the one layer. And if you notice, there's some designs on here from my last one that I did. And actually, that is, where am I going? This one back here that I did. It's still on there, but it's no worries, it's dry, it won't transfer over. So, and if you want to know how to clean a mat and get it back to its sticky state, which these are right now, I do have a video. So if anybody's interested in that, you can look it up, or if you have trouble finding it, let me know and I'll send you a link. All right, now what I'm doing is trying to kind of center this in between my iron marks here. That's where I want my design to go. And like I said, the ink pad is sticky. So that helps keep it in place while you're transferring the ink on it. And now I'm going to take this off and do the same thing. It is also sticky on one side. So if anybody isn't familiar with this, let me know, and any questions, and I will get back with you. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do the whole thing. I am going to do just part of it. And what I'm doing now is just spreading it out, making sure there's no bubbles, and it is really down pretty well. All right, now I have this red. This is Candy Apple Red, and that's pretty much what we're going to use on the whole thing. But what I want to do is tape some of this off because I'm only going to use the words the berry sweet day or sweet days this summer. I'm going to take off the berry part. And I'm going to try, let's see. I'm going to try to go kind of in a half circle around here. So that the tape will kind of be to tell me, okay, stop. Don't go any further. So I don't know about you, but if I'm busy working on something, sometimes I get carried away and I can't take ink off, so I have to live with it. So that will kind of help me, I hope. All right, now I'm just going to dip my squeegee in here. Again, always be careful of your fingers because if you get it on your towel, you can't get it off. Or you probably could, but it might be a little hard. And red especially. Red stains. All right. I am going to do the strawberries. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the letters in black or red. Anybody have any ideas? All right, this just goes on really smooth with your squeegee. So that's why I am just doing the strawberries right now because I haven't made up my mind. So if you guys think a preference, let me know. Just put it in the comments. And I know today it's a hot day here. I think we're supposed to reach over 100 equivalent. I don't know, but it's hot everywhere. So this isn't a normal summer day. But I guess we will all be fine. And if you're in air conditioning, yay. If not, stay cool. Be careful. And drink lots of water. So basically, I'm just putting the ink on and spreading it out. Kind of like if you were icing a cake or putting butter on toast. Pretty much the same process. Now with this transfer, like I showed you earlier, you could see where the red chalk paste that I put on here before really stained the teal part. And that doesn't matter. You get it, you want to try to get all the net screening cleaned really, really good. And that's the only place you have to really worry about. It will still do a very nice print many times over. What do they say? Between 8 and 12, depends on how well you take care of your transfer. Like I have a thing of water that I can put this on right afterwards. If I weren't doing a live, I would be washing this at the sink right away. But I am, so I'm going to put in this tub of water and right afterwards I'll go clean it. Now I think I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing in red. What do y'all think? Any ideas? The other option I have is nice. Okay. It's not one of my lives without dropping something. Okay. I could do the letters in this. What do you think? Should I try it? Let's do it. And this, I just added some black velvet to my storm. And got like a real dark charcoal. I like it. Or soft black, however you want to look at it. Okay. Same thing. You just gotta be careful I don't go over to the strawberries. I don't want any black marks on my strawberries. That won't look very appealing. And when you are applying the ink on your transfer, try to go in one direction. That kind of helps from preventing from it bleeding out. All right, check my fingers, and I do. I have red on here. So I'm going to clean that. Check that really good. All right, I'm going to take the tape off first, which did its job. Kept me in the boundaries I wanted to keep. All right, now take it and on the straight edge, pull straight up, nice and slow. I love that. That's so cute. All right, I'm going to put this in my water. All right. And hold this up and show you. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. Make sure everything's nice and clean. All right, we can take this off the mat. There we go. Let's fold it so you can get an idea how really cute this is. What do you think, guys? You like it? I think it turned out really cute. Now, after it's dry, I mean, you could blow dry it, and then you want to heat set it. So it's if you're hanging it in the kitchen, if you're like me, I get some splatters on it, like tomato or different things I'm cooking on the stove. And you're gonna want to wash it. So you can heat set this. You can just use a plain iron, put it on a cotton, no steam setting, and use parchment paper, put it on here first. And this is after it's completely dry. And then go over it with an iron 4 minutes, front and back. And if you have a heat press, it only takes about 30 seconds. Also with parchment paper, front and back. So that's it. I hope you like that. I think it's cute, and I can't wait to hang it up on my oven door. So I will post some more pictures. And guys, you can see up here there are 2 chalk paste ones, and I have 2 ink projects up here. So tell me what you like the best. I'd love to hear from you. I'm looking forward to some comments. Thanks everybody. See you next time. Bye.